The Forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's go and see what the charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you on the charts. Okay, so let's make a full breakdown of the situation that we currently have on ETH USD. So what does Ethereum currently show? Now here in the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just created a massive impulse to the upside, followed by this correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, what you want to see is the market provide a correction and then the continuation to the upside, also for the creation of a higher high. So here in the monthly, everything seems quite bullish, and we do expect the market to print a higher high and create a continuation to the upside. We go down on the weekly time frame, and what do we see? Now here in the weekly time frame, we can see how at the moment we are testing previous weekly resistance, which now that the market has broken it to the upside, is turned support here. And as we are testing this previous resistance turned support, we do expect the market to reject it to the upside, and we can see that that is exactly what the market has already been doing, and possibly we even expect the market to print a higher high. So also here in the weekly, everything seems quite bullish and more continuation seems quite probable. Now, in general, if you have an impulse to the upside and you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And we can see how we had a perfect 0.618 Fibonacci retracement lining up perfectly at this previous resistance turn support, creating a very strong layer of support at this area that, once again, we did expect this market to reject to the upside, and that is in fact exactly what the market just did. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. We go down on the daily time frame, and here on the daily, we can see how the market, in creating this rejection to the upside, has first printed this horizontal accumulation phase, obviously following the price action that Bitcoin was creating, and at the moment has broken out to the upside with the creation of this overextended W formation. Now, in general, after the creation of an overextended W formation, you want to see the market provide a correction back to the neckline, which is the previous resistance turn support, before then printing the continuation to the upside. Specifically, it would be great to see the market correct at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this daily impulse, which is currently lining up exactly at this area. Obviously, if the market will create a continuation, it will basically be a little bit higher. But in general, we do expect the market to correct at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the daily impulse, before then printing the continuation to the upside. That would be the best case scenario, because in that case, if we will get a correction to this area, instead of here we have massive liquidity. So on the retest, this is exactly the best zone inside of which we have basically good risk to reward, and inside of which we can be looking for a potential setup for the continuation to the upside to follow here on ETH USD. So how we will be approaching this specific situation with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So if the market will go and correct to this previous resistance turn support and 0.32, instead of here with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market, as we will have, to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, at that point we would have good probability and good risk to reward for the continuation to the upside, and we would be looking for this potential longing opportunity if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.